Everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I'll be taking you towards a bot creation that is quite simple to create on and is very easy to deploy. So without further ado, let's move on to the task. So today what we are using here for the creation of the bot is the Azure. Azure is a cloud platform that has been offered by Microsoft and is very easy to use. Even if you are having a basic set of computer programming knowledge, or you just know how to operate the computer, you can create several services on Azure. That is quite easy. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log into the Azure portal. To do so, I have provided you the link in the description, but still we can start from the scratch. So here is the link, that is portal.azure.com. After going on to this, you just need to get the basic sign up details if you haven't registered on Microsoft, or if you are already registered on Microsoft, you just need to sign in directly over here. So after going here, you'll be seeing a dashboard here. That is the main screen where all the services whatever have been deployed in Azure will be displayed over here. So as we are creating a simple bot, you just need to click on the left blade, create a resource tab. After clicking on there, you have to use AI plus machine learning section here, and from there you will be using web app bot. Because your bot has to be deployed in web, you are using this option. Here you need to provide the bot name. It should be anything what you think of relevant to your topic. So I'm giving sample bot 321 as the name. So it will matching where the name is available or not. So you can check on any other name. Okay, so here we got it. You're having a free trial subscription because as you first time registering on this Azure, you'll be getting around $200 free credit. So that's an immense amount of credit that you can use to leverage the services. That's huge to check out the various section and various resources, being it be SQL databases, be it be spinning of the virtual servers, but we would be confining ourselves to the Azure bot creation. So here we'll be defining the resource group. So resource group is something where you group on various services of the Azure to under a single umbrella. So you can give the same name here or whatever you think of. So now it's fine. Now you can provide the location. It should be necessarily uh, nearest to the location where you are sending the request so as to avoid latency and have a quick communication between your machine and the server placed. And here you can use the pricing tier. Now here comes the main thing. So if you want to create a basic bot that responds to some questions you provide and get back the answer, you have to choose this one option, question and answer. After selecting this, you need to have select and configure app service plan. This is just normal, select on OK. After going so, you just click on create. So what this will do, this will create a service of the bot and will deploy that on the cloud. As you can now see, it's validating, it's just checking what all parameters you gave is correct, and will be deploying this over the cloud of Microsoft. So once this is done, what you have to do is you have to have a knowledge database from where the cloud and Azure would be fetching your answers from. Let's suppose you are creating this for a pizza outlet and you want to have all the queries what all the people in the pizza can have, like what is the price of onion capsicum pizza. You can fed in the queries, and for that you require a knowledge base. So for that the website is qnamaker.ai. You just need to log in here. So as you can see, our bot is getting deployed here. So once it's done, We need to create a knowledge base along with it so as to communicate between the bot and the knowledge base to get yourself the right query what you are looking for. So here is that section. Just click on the sign in. Use the same credentials what you used in the login of Azure. So once it gets loaded, yeah, so now it's loaded. You have to create a knowledge base. What I told you, knowledge base is something what consists of all the question and answer what you want to have inside in your corpus that have to be fetched by your bot. So just click on create a Q&A service. So now it's loading again. It will directly redirect you to the Azure portal again. So here is the Q&A maker service that you need to register for. So just type in here give it the name as per your preference. Subscription would be the free trial again. Management pricing tier. Here you need to select the location, and now this option would be available for you. Select anything what you want. Okay, this is the same resource group what we created before for the bot. We are selecting the basic one. Here we go. Now again this will validate our data and we'll be seeing whether all the things are at the place, and we'll deploy this service also to the cloud. Once it is done, we need to create our corpus. So let's get started for the same. So yeah, it's again getting deployed. So what the thing I told you about the resource group is all the resources what we have created, like for the bot we are having a storage also, we are having a service plan, everything that comes under a same resource group. So these are all the services that are deployed automatically once you choose a service for the Azure, and it will find here under the all resource section. So now once this is finished, yeah, it's getting deployed. So yeah, now it has been deployed. So let's get ahead. So after that service of the that Q&A maker is deployed, you need to refresh this page again to get all the data populated here. So after refreshing, you just need to select your services from these drop down menus available. So this will pick up directly from your Azure account. You just need to select the subscription and the service name what you have created just now. Name in your knowledge base. It can be anything as per as it is available. Just write it and simply click on create your KB. You are also having an option to add a file. This file could be Excel, PDF, docs containing of FAQs that you want to use inside in your bot. So directly if you are having some Excel file having the questions and answer pair, you just directly upload it here. You have that capability and it will create your knowledge base directly, need not to do anything. But as we are not having this, let me tell you how you can do it manually and you can learn it from the scratch. So once it's done, we'll get ahead of this. So Azure is really very simple if you want to use the services, and here we got it. So now what you can do is you can click on add Q&A pair. So here is the query what you want to send to bot, like if a bot gets high, what it should say. Again, you can add multiple queries for the same answer. Further, you can add further pair and you want to have another query. You can fed in the answers. So after doing this, you can click on save and train and subsequently publish your database to your bot. So this can be anything depending upon your knowledge base. If you want to have a knowledge base for your HR account, you can have FAQs of that. If you want to have if you want to create a bot that responds to a FAQ of an airline, you can get the FAQs from the airline website, upload it here directly, and all what you can do is an interactive way of communicating instead of reading all the queries and searching onto the pages, hefty sum of pages you need to find down your queries. It's very much simple if you use Azure for FAQs query and just type in your query to the bot and it will respond. So after this you need to publish this knowledge base. Here we are getting the publish option. So here I want you all guys to have a little bit of concentration here, because this part is where you need to apply a little of brain. So here are the keys that are required to communicate to your bot and the knowledge base. So what you can do is so here is your bot. This, click on this, go on to the application settings, and fill in the relevant fields. For Q&A authorization key, you'll be getting it here. Just copy it and paste it in the required field. For host name, you'll again finding it here. Copy it again and paste it in the same field. Now again you are getting a knowledge base ID, which is nothing but this one, what I am pasting from here. So after getting this, we are all set to see our bot. Click on save and it's done. Now what you can do is you can check your bot, how is it responding. Click on test in web chat. It will open a simulation for your bot. See, you got it doing great, and see here the response is quite same what we fed. So subsequently you can use all the FAQs mentioned in the website of your arena and you can upload it directly to the bot service, and you can leverage this amazing capability of Azure and deploy this bot onto your websites or an email. You can get the queries and responses well, and there are multiple channels for that. For as of now, this is what I wanted to cover, and I told you how it's been done. For some more clarification, I have created one more bot for me, and if you want to see it, I can make you see that also. This was for my company's HR section, and these people can leverage the capabilities of Azure here. So if a person want to know the policy of maternity leaves in a company, he can write policy for maternity leave. What it will do is it will fetch the data from there and you will be getting a whole bunch of information what you want to convey. So this process has been automated and you can use it. So as of now, thank you for all for watching this video, and if you want to know anything further, you can ask me directly. I would be loving it onto my personal email ID what I have mentioned in the description below. So thanks a lot for watching. Thank you so much.